What up, nomads? In this video, I'm reviewing the Level 8 Gibraltar aluminum carry-on. I've used Level 8 suitcases before, notably on my multi-month trip to Hong Kong last fall, and I loved it. It was a two-tone checked suitcase, and I even got a compliment from a stranger at baggage claim. So when they reached out to work with me again, I was beyond excited to review a suitcase I'd had my eye on since last Prime Day event in the summertime. This is their aluminum series suitcase called the Gibraltar, and it's a great rival to others like Rimowa and Tumi at a much better price. As someone who flies frequently, both for work and for leisure, finding reliable luggage is key. And over time and many trips, I've come to a few conclusions about picking your suitcase, some of which kind of contradict each other. So for one trip, most luggage will do the job. But as soon as you're traveling for work and traveling frequently, having really solid luggage can really improve your trip. And the features that matter most are good wheels, strong outer shell, a comfortable handle, and secure clasps and zippers. When it comes to cheap suitcases, you really do get what you paid for. But even the most expensive luggage can have bad luck, and an aggressive baggage handler can cause damage. I recently had a plastic hardshell suitcase crack on me, which is why I was interested in an aluminum suitcase to begin with. Testing the Level 8 Gibraltar aluminum carry-on definitely has some noteworthy features, but also a few considerations for those who are constantly on the go. This might be one of the most expensive suitcases I've tried, but certainly much cheaper than the Rimowa or Tumi aluminum suitcases, or even Away's line of aluminum suitcases. First off, it's made from aerospace-grade aluminum magnesium alloy, so it's built tough. You can feel the durability. This is not the kind of luggage that will easily get deep dents in it. However, at 10 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some other carry-ons, which might be something to keep in mind if you're packing a lot, traveling a lot, and don't want to be lifting a lot above your head. Personally, that was the biggest adjustment for me. I was used to lightweight polycarbonate suitcases, and this one definitely felt heavier when lifting it above into the overhead bins. One of my favorite features is the dual zipperless TSA-approved locks. These offer great peace of mind when traveling, knowing your things are secure. That said, zipperless designs might not be for everyone. It can take a little longer to open and close compared to a traditional zippered bag, and there's less flexibility when overstuffing your suitcase. With these models, you literally can't budge an inch. So while you can still sit on your suitcase and clamp it down forcefully, if it's overpacked, it simply won't close. The slow release handles are a thoughtful touch. It's a small detail, but one I noticed right away, and it felt super premium. It felt like those IKEA cabinets that don't slam shut. The wheels are another highlight for me. The 360 spinner wheels are ultra quiet and really smooth, even on rougher surfaces. Maneuvering through busy airports or tight spaces is a breeze. I haven't experienced any wobbling or catching, which is a huge plus. I also tend to load up a massive amount of stuff on top of my suitcases, so my personal item usually has my laptop, a bag, cosmetics. It really does become quite heavy, so I need a suitcase that can still maneuver smoothly with that extra weight, and this one handled that no problem. Inside, you've got organized compartments with a mesh divider. It's great for keeping your things in place, and I found it handy for separating clothes from non-fabric items that might have sharp corners or could snag my clothes. However, the 36-liter capacity is on the smaller side compared to other carry-ons, so you might need to be strategic about packing, especially if you're used to carrying more or having a model that is on the upper limit of carry-on sizes. For the extras that come with this suitcase, I was pleasantly surprised to see a whole set of packing cubes, a luggage tag, and a dust-free bag coming with the suitcase. The cubes are actually quite useful for organization, and they have these removable Velcro tiles that allow you to identify what's in the packing cube. I think long-term I might be a little too lazy to actually thoughtfully put these into place and use this system, but I have to admit I'd never seen anything like this before. The 20-inch size fits comfortably in most overhead compartments, which is great for frequent domestic flights. I had no issues storing it even on smaller planes. On my last flight, however, I did sky check it because I was in the lowest economy zone and there was no more room on the plane for more luggage. So it was an excellent test to see how durable it really was being handled and put under the plane. After I picked it up, I was a bit sad to see a small dent and a scratch. I guess this is to be expected with aluminum suitcases after all. And I suppose a beat up aluminum suitcase is a bit of a status symbol in itself. Like I said at the beginning, even expensive suitcases can have a bad trip, so the most important feature is warranties and guarantees. And this Level 8 comes with a lifetime warranty, which is reassuring if you're planning to travel a lot and need something that will last or easily get replaced free of charge. Overall, the Level 8 Gibraltar is a solid choice if you're looking for durability and security, and if you want that chic look of an aluminum suitcase without paying a ton. Just keep in mind the weight and capacity if those are a factor. It's definitely on the higher end for mainstream suitcases, but if longevity and protection are priorities to you, this could be worth considering for your next trip, especially if you manage to snag it on sale. Regardless, if you are looking for a Rimowa type suitcase, this one is a great choice and a more affordable alternative to consider. And I love all my Level 8 suitcases, so I can definitely stand behind the quality and the customer service of this brand. Thanks for watching this review. If you want more reviews like this, check out the other videos on my channel. And if you want to shop the Level 8 suitcases, check out the link in my description. Thanks for watching and happy travels.